In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this metal amulet. I started by 3D modeling the amulet. First I did the shape. Then I imported my profile image and modeled the AB from a plane. Once I had the shape done, I extruded the letters and used a Boolean modifier to merge the two shapes together. Finally, for the modeling, I made one side flat and adjusted the scale. I imported the FBX into Cura, set the fill percentage to 20 and the detail to 0.15 mm. As you can see, I then printed it, which only took like 30 minutes or so. Now it's time to turn this into metal, tin specifically, since it's relatively easy to get and melts at very low temperatures. For metal, of course. I filled this bucket with dirt and then filtered it. To be able to get as much detail as possible into a mold, it's very important that there are no more small rocks or branches in it. Now that I have this very fine and filtered dirt, I'll try to make a mold from the 3D print. As you can see, the dirt gets stuck in the crevices, which is why you can't really get a good mold this way. Luckily, I found a very easy solution. Just put some plastic wrap between the dirt and the 3D print and press down on the 3D print as hard as possible. This mold isn't perfect, but after filming I repeated the process a few times to get it just right. I started heating up the tin and made sure to wear a mask and never get close to anything flammable. Once it had fully melted, I carefully picked up the pot and poured the tin into the mold. I waited until it had hardened and then carefully used some pliers to take it out of the mold and wash and cool it. Finally, what we're left with is this. Of course, you can do this with just about anything. Just change the 3D model and the rest of the project stays the exact same. As always, I hope you liked the video. If you did, like and consider subscribing, I'd really appreciate it.